my channel. I'm Auntie Tay. If you guys are new here, click that subscribe button and the little bell if you guys want to be alerted on Mondays and Wednesdays, because I've got videos for you guys both those days of the week. And I also go live here and there throughout the week. So check out the schedule if you want to know my schedule and all that good stuff. Today I am making a Disneyland sign with transfer tape and the Creative Sister chalk paint. So I'm going to be showing you guys projects with this paint before we launch it on shopauntietay.com, so you guys can get an idea of just how amazing this paint actually is. It's chalked up paint by my good friend Katie. She's amazing. She's got these workshops that we go to and we film lots of fun projects at. But today I did one on my own and I'm so excited, even though I bought the sign and then I just DIY'd it. So I got this sign at Hobby Lobby, I believe. I showed you guys in one of my hauls. So let's get going before I blab your faces off and let's make this sign. Alrighty guys, so we are starting with using the Creative Sisters chalked up paint. If you got any of my mystery boxes, you will have one of these fantastic colors, or you may have more if you got more than one box. We are going to be adding this amazing chalk paint to my website soon, so be on the lookout for that. This is the first 5 colors that we're launching with, and we love them. So I'm actually going to be showing you Katie's way of putting her vinyl stencils onto her boards. And what she does is she just transfers the entire design right onto the board, and then she goes in and weeds stuff after. This is a different way of doing weeding, but sometimes it makes it a lot more simple to transfer an entire design. So once you have everything cut out, we're just going to use some of her amazing chalk paint, and I did 2 layers for each letter, and I just staggered the colors. I started with the light green, went over to the teal, then over to the coral color, then to the mint color, and then the purple. And I think I needed to shake the purple just a little bit more because it was going on very thin, but I also was using some really dumb brushes. Like, I should have gotten out my good brushes, but I just kind of was using the brushes I had. So after I did 2 coats, I went and I pulled the vinyl off. I am just using regular vinyl for this. We do have some amazing stencil material on my website, shopauntietay.com, and you also have vinyl there too if you'd like to use that. So I'm just going to get all the pieces off. I do this when the paint is still mildly wet so I don't make any mistakes or peel anything off, and then I just use a white pen to clean up any messy marks.